Jai Hind to all. How are you? I hope all are fine. Okay. Today we are going to learn capital letter B. Capital letter B. Before starting our topic, just revise previous topic. Oral A to Z alphabets. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are 26 alphabets. Do you know kids? Already we learned 5 lines in previous videos. I will revise. Right. I have toothbrush. Okay. I have toothbrush. I have toothbrush. Neat and gay, to brush my teeth, with every day, I brush them each morning, I brush them each morning, I brush them each night, I brush them each night, till all are shining, clean and bright. Do you know kids how many letters are completed in previous videos? Yes, look at here. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. Capital letter A. Which letter is this? Capital letter D. Capital letter D. Which letter is this? Capital letter E. Capital letter E. Which letter is this? Capital letter F. Capital letter F. Which letter is this? Capital letter H. Capital letter H. Which letter is this? Capital letter I. Capital letter I. Which letter is this? Capital letter K. Capital letter K. Which letter is this? Capital letter L. Capital letter L. Which letter is this? Capital letter M. Capital letter M. Which letter is this? Capital letter M. Capital letter M. Which letter is this? Capital letter P. Capital letter P. Which letter is this? Capital letter T. Capital letter T. Which letter is this? Capital letter V. Capital letter V. Which letter is this? Capital letter W. Capital letter W. Which letter is this? Capital letter X. Capital letter X. Which letter is this? Capital letter Y. Capital letter Y. Which letter is this? Capital letter Z. Capital letter Z. These all letters are completed in previous videos. Okay kids? Today we are going to learn capital letter B. Capital letter B. The phonic sound make B, B, B. The phonic sound make b, b, b. B. Capital letter B related some things are here. Look at here. Which thing is this? This is a balloon. B for balloon. Balloon. Which thing is this? This is a book. B for book. Book. Which thing is this? This is a bed. B for bed. Bed. Which thing is this? This is a ball. B for ball. Ball. Which fruit is this? This is a banana. Do you like banana? Yes. B for banana. Banana. Which thing is this? This is a basket. B for basket. Basket. Which thing is this? This is a box. B for box. Box. Look at here. You already have a kit. Take out flashcard of letter B. Letter B. B for banana. B for banana. 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 Turn the flashcard. There are so many pictures related letter B. One by one, I explain the pictures. Okay? B for boy. B for bed. B for bed. B for bed. B for bed. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B for ball. B for ball. B for beer. B for beer. B for book. B for book. B for bell. B for bell. B for balloon. B for balloon. And B for bus. B for bus. Okay, kids? Parents are requested to revise all the letters with flashcard at home, which we already learned. Look at here. This is our phonic book. Open the book and page number 5. Page number 5. Capital letter B. Capital letter B. B say B. B say B. B for ball. B for ball. Ball. B for bus. B for bus. B for bird. B for bird. Bird. Look at here. Now, just revise how to trace capital letter B. These are 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to use only 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, kids? Look at here. Put your pencil. Join the dot. Slowly. First to third line, standing line. And first to second line, curve. And second to third line, again curve. Make capital letter B. Repeat again. Dots are given here. Put your pencil. Join the dot. First to third line, standing line. And first to second line, curve. And second to third line, again curve. Make capital letter B. How to write capital letter B? Okay, kids, look at here. 2 dots are given here. We use only 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay? First to third line, join 2 dots, standing line, and first to second line, curve, and second to third line, again curve. Make capital letter B. Repeat again. 2 dots are given here. Put your pencil. First to third line, 2 dots join. Make standing line. And first to second line, curve. And second to third line, again curve. Make capital letter B. This way, make capital letter B. Capital letter B. This way, complete capital letter B. Look at here, kids. This is our English notebook. Open the notebook and page number 109. 109. How to trace capital letter B? Okay? Dots are given here. Put your pencil and first to third line, standing line, and first to second line, curve, and second to third line, again curve. Make capital letter B. Capital letter B. Capital letter B. This way, complete page number 109 and turn the page and page number 110. 110. How to write capital letter B? Look at here. 2 dots are given here. Put your pencil. First to third line, standing line, and first to second line, curve, and second to third line, again curve. Make capital letter B. Repeat again. 2 dots are given here. Put your pencil and first to third line, standing line, and first to second line, curve, and second to third line, again curve. Make capital letter B. This way, complete page number 110. 110. Okay, kids. Thank you.